A day in my life as a homemaker. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, and today, I am going to share with you my daily routine as a homemaker. I hope this helps you learn new English words and improve your vocabulary while enjoying my story. So, let's begin. Morning routine. I start my day at 6 a.m. sharp. I always set an alarm to wake up on time because mornings are the busiest part of my day. When the alarm rings, I get up, stretch a little, and head straight to the bathroom. I take a refreshing shower, brush my teeth, and change out of my nightdress into something comfortable for the day ahead. The first thing I do after getting ready is pray. It's my way of starting the day with gratitude and positivity. After my prayer, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast for my family. I love making a wholesome and delicious breakfast that everyone enjoys. I usually prepare milk tea, fried eggs, flatbread, sausages, and sometimes fresh fruits or yogurt. The aroma of breakfast fills the house, and it's such a comforting feeling. Next, I wake up my children. I have 3 kids, and they're full of energy and joy. I gently call them to get up and remind them to get ready for school. I also help them brush their teeth, fix their uniforms, and pack their school bags. Once everyone is ready, we sit together at the dining table to have breakfast. After breakfast, it's time to send my kids off to school. Their school van arrives at 7:30 a.m., so I make sure they're on time, give them a quick hug, and wave goodbye as they leave for school. Mid-morning routine. Once the kids are off to school, I take a short 15-minute break for myself. During this time, I relax with a cup of tea and read the newspaper. It's my little moment of peace before the housework begins. After this short break, I see my husband off to work. He usually leaves around 8:30 a.m., and I make sure he has everything he needs for the day. Now, it's time for the home chores. I start by tidying up the living room, making the beds, and cleaning the kitchen. I vacuum the floors, dust the furniture, and do the laundry. Home chores can be tiring, but I love keeping my home clean and organized. Late morning. After finishing the housework, I take a small break to watch my favorite morning show on TV. This is my way of relaxing and recharging before heading out for grocery shopping. Around 11 a.m., I go to the supermarket to buy fresh vegetables, fruits, and other essentials for the house. I enjoy grocery shopping because it helps me plan meals for my family. I always try to pick the freshest produce to make healthy and tasty meals. Afternoon routine. When I return home, I start preparing lunch. I set the menu for the day and make a nutritious meal. Cooking is something I enjoy, as it allows me to experiment with flavors and create dishes my family loves. By the time my kids return from school, lunch is ready. I feed my kids, and we sit together to talk about their day. After lunch, the kids usually take an afternoon nap, which gives me some quiet time. Evening routine. At 4 p.m., it's time for tea. I prepare a warm cup of tea for myself and serve it with some light snacks. This is when we have our family time. We all sit together, share stories, and talk about what happened during the day. After tea, the kids do their homework. I help them if they need any assistance. Once their homework is done, they play indoor games like Ludo, chess, or puzzles. It's always fun to see them laugh and enjoy themselves. Night routine. In the evening, my husband returns from work, and we all have dinner together. I prepare a hearty dinner, and we use this time to share our day's experiences. Dinner is always a special family moment for us. After dinner, I put my kids to bed. Before they sleep, I tell them a bedtime story, which they absolutely love. Once they're asleep, I finish any remaining chores, like washing the dishes or organizing the kitchen. Finally, I make a cup of coffee for myself and sit down to watch my favorite drama on TV. It's my personal me time, and it helps me unwind after a long day. Once the drama ends, I head to bed, ready to start a new day tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my daily routine. It's a busy but fulfilling life, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my weekend routine in the next video. Vocabulary section. Here are 10 words from my story to help you learn English. Wholesome. Meaning, healthy, nourishing, or beneficial. Sentence, a wholesome breakfast is essential for a productive day. Aroma. Meaning, a pleasant smell, especially of food. Sentence, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the kitchen. Gratitude. Meaning, the quality of being thankful. Sentence, I started my day with a prayer of gratitude. Essentials. Meaning, necessary items or things. Sentence, don't forget to buy the essentials during your grocery trip. Organized. Meaning, arranged or structured in a neat and systematic way. Sentence, I like keeping my home clean and organized. Recharge. Meaning, to regain energy or strength. Sentence, watching my favorite show helps me recharge for the day. Nutritious. Meaning, full of nutrients, healthy. Sentence, I always prepare a nutritious meal for my kids. Experiment. Meaning, to try new things or methods. Sentence, I love to experiment with different spices while cooking. Unwind. Meaning, to relax after a stressful or busy time. Sentence, I like to unwind by watching a drama in the evening. Fulfilled. Meaning, feeling satisfied or happy. Sentence, taking care of my family makes me feel fulfilled. Practice these words by using them in your own sentences. I hope this video helps you learn and speak English confidently. See you in the next one.